So later, I'm gonna give you a quick room tour or bed, huge bed.
Ano po, sausage?
Ang kabayan pala.
Oh, very
Good.
In celebration of the Philippine Independence. Ate Ken, are you excited?
And on this side is my beautiful wife. Hi guys, this is me once again and welcome to another episode of Duday and Dudum Vlog. Anyway, this day is special because Babe and I are celebrating our wedding anniversary, and having that said, we decided to celebrate our weekend here at the beautiful Bab Al Qasr residence. Before we move on with today's video, please guys do like and subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell for more updates.
Hi!
Hi, where are you going, Mom?
Uwian time! We are going home!
Are going home.
Yes, yes!
Good morning guys, so this is day 2 of our staycation here at Bab Al Qasr. So, nandito nga tayo ngayon and this is our second day. Wait, open ko lang yung cortina because today is a very beautiful Friday morning. Today is Friday. It's very beautiful outside. Hindi ko na na-vlog kahapon kasi medyo late na kami nag-check-in. And then after that, we had a dinner outside. And also, wait, i-open ko lang itong cortina para makita nyo yung view sa labas. And actually, we have a beautiful room view. Kita nyo? That is the Emirates Palace, and the other one, that white building there is the Presidential Palace. So later, I'm gonna give you a quick room tour dito sa hotel room natin. Actually, this is a big and spacious room. That is our mini kitchen. That is the toilet, baby's inside. And this is our bed, huge bed. And later, I'm gonna give you a quick room tour kung anong mga nandito sa loob. But for now, magpiprep lang kami for breakfast and magsiswimming siguro kami sa baba. Stay tuned lang kayo guys, and we will be enjoying the rest of the day, the rest of the weekend. And you're still watching Duday and Dudum Vlog Wedding Anniversary episode.
Small loud ito ah. Ay,
Kabayan po? Good morning. Ano po, sausage?
Kabayan pala.
Oh.
so this is the buffet breakfast. Kabayan po.
Po, sir.
So we're here now at the kitchen, guys, and this is our breakfast. Actually, this is the buffet breakfast, and we're here at Artisan Kitchen. And what we have here, we have
Omelette.
of course,
Turkey bacon.
like we have the egg omelette, bacon and sausage. There's the fruits and the beans, baby's favorite, and the breads and my favorite waffle.
Yeah, I know.
And we're just waiting for the coffee. And baby,
Hi, good morning.
very good morning, and kain tayo, guys. Let's have breakfast, and the food is waiting. Guys, dito ako ngayon sa pool, and it's so very good. Feels so good here. Enjoying under the sun. Woo!
Swim, baby, swim. Babe.
Ah, so we're going to the beach, and we're still here at the Bab Al Qasr hotel. It's the pool area, and it's the beach area, and we're going towards there. So we're on our way to meet the Malibot family.
Doon ka lang pumarap.
And dadaanan lang namin si Ate Ken, and we're on our way going to the Yas Waterworld, and we're gonna be enjoying the rest of the day at the Yas Waterworld kasi nga in celebration of the Philippine Independence. So mga kabayan, kita-kita tayo dyan, and see you!
See you.
A few moments later.
We're here, guys. We just arrived here at Yas Waterworld, and we are so excited. Ate Ken, are you excited?
Yes.
You should be excited, Ate Ken. But you will be waiting for the team de Malibot muna.
This is not our first time,
Wala.
Ate Ken. It's your second time.
Wala pa si Aisa.
You were 2 years old when you visit this, Yas Waterworld.
Oh, baby.
So we're here, and these two kids are excited. We can go directly para may upuan na. Yay!
guys, and this is our day 3 here.
Day 3?
Yes,
Ah.
and today is Saturday, and time check, it's already 30 minutes past 9. Grabe, sobrang pagod ng katawan namin kasi sobrang nag-enjoy kami kagabi, kaya hindi na kami nakapag-vlog kasi pagdating namin dito bagsak na agad, and the reason kaya late na kami
Anong oras siya?
bangon. Actually, babangon pa lang kami. Si baby, how are you?
Pagod.
Shout out dyan sa mga napuyat kagabi at may pasok pa ngayon. Kay Rain. And
At diba? Si Ken.
so, magbe-breakfast lang kami sa baba. And later, uuwi na tayo. Kasi this is our last day. And grabe, this is my woke up like this face. And grabe, sobrang late na namin nakauwi kagabi. But we had so much fun. Sobrang salamat sa Yas Waterworld for giving importance sa ating mga kabayan dito sa UAE, especially sa Abu Dhabi. So, kabayan, if you were there last night, shout out sa'yo, and please comment down below kung kumusta yung naging experience po kagabi.
A few moments later.
So, we're back here sa room. Kagagaling namin nag-breakfast at saka nag-pool. Ako lang pala nag-swimming. And magpe-prep lang kami kasi mamaya-maya magche-check out na tayo. So as promised, I'm gonna give you a quick room tour dito sa room natin. So we'll start with the kitchen. It's the sink. So let's check what's inside. So this is the oven. Wow, so nice. And here, may mga storage din. Meron sa taas, storage outside. And we have some induction here. So pwede kayong magluto. And they also provided you with this one. There are plates here and pans and where you can use for cooking. And of course, you have some storage here. You have utensils and extra storage. And of course, the kettle here. Of course, they're giving you water, coffee. So we have here the fridge here. So this is the cake they have given us when we check in. The welcome cake since it's our anniversary. Here we have the washing machine, so you can actually do some laundry here because it's automatic washing machine. So it's very nice of them to provide this one. And we have here the closet and this one. If you want to do some pressing with your clothes, we have the storage here. You'll see. Nailagay na namin. Of course, they have safe here. So if you guys are wondering bakit my kitchen dito, it's because we are staying here at the Bab Al Qasr residences. So moving on to this area naman, we'll get our main room. We have here our bed. This is king bed. And we have 2 side tables here. We have some flat screen TV here, cable TV, and on this side is my beautiful wife. And the couch. We have provided some workstation. Actually, you can eat or do some work here. And the most beautiful part of this room is, of course, the view. So we have there that's the presidential palace, the Emirates Palace, and on that side is the Marina Mall, and the Lulu Island is there. So this is the toilet, master toilet. So when you go inside, you'll be greeted with a very huge mirror. Yeah, and on this side you have, of course, and the bottom.
Hi guys.
And the view. Oh, that's me. And here, we have a very nice shower. And of course, this is my favorite part. Bathtub. I have enjoyed it. And we are good to go. We are good to check out. And we just want to say thank you very much, Bab Al Qasr Residences, for giving us a comfy and big accommodation for our weekend staycation. And of course, thank you guys for spending your time with us as we celebrate our wedding anniversary here. And I hope you enjoyed watching. This is Duday and Dudung Vlog, our weekend staycation wedding anniversary episode. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, please do like and subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell for more update. Bye! Bye baby!
Bye! Click here.
Click here!
Here.
Bye bye!